In today's Freshsales CRM review, we are finally going to answer the question if the Freshworks CRM is actually worth it. Now, Freshworks essentially is an all-in-one basically marketing solution which offers all sorts of different products. For example, their Freshdesk, Freshservice, Customer Service Suite, Freshsales, Freshchat, Freshmarketer, and so on. Now you can see all of the products right here. Essentially, one of their products is their Freshsales CRM. Now, when it comes to the actual CRM, one thing which I do have to highlight is that I think everything is super intuitive, beginner friendly, and easy to get around. I've also made a Freshsales tutorial in the past, which you can watch by using the link down below. Now, when it comes to the actual pricing of this, actually I think it is somewhat affordable. It definitely is in the mid kind of range of pricing. So as you can see, the growth plan is going to cost you €9 per month. However, right here you are only going to have a limited amount of features. If you, for example, do want advanced workflows, insights with Freddy AI, account hierarchy, and so on, you will have to go for the Pro plan, which is rather on the higher side, $39 per user per month. Isn't that cheap comparing it to other tools like Monday and Pipedrive, for example. Now, when it comes to the actual interface, let me open this up. This is how it is going to look like. So as you can see right here, you would, for example, have your contacts. You can then actually access them, and you are going to have all of the basic features which you could probably want. Now, additionally, I do have to highlight that Freshsales does actually integrate with inboxes, so you can basically easily keep track of all of the different emails that has been sent out, and this actually seamlessly integrates onto the CRM right here. You are also going to have all of the activities available, you can see the accounts and so on. So one upside would be their interface. It's super intuitive, beginner friendly, and secondly, I also like the fact that they actually seamlessly integrate with email, but essentially that's it. Freshsales is a okay CRM which doesn't really have any downsides, don't get me wrong. However, they also don't have any special features which you can't get anywhere else. So really, I think that if you are going to use the whole Freshworks suite, then you can go for the Freshsales CRM. It is most likely going to get the job done. However, you are going to have some limits when it comes to automations, when it comes to further marketing integrations, when it comes to integrations as a whole, and much more. So I've actually recently created a free quiz for you guys to take to find the best CRM for your business. It is only going to take a minute. I will leave you a link for it down below. That's it. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.